welcome back. And welcome back din sa akin. Welcome back sa inyo. It's been a while. So, we will do a reading, a weekly reading. Ito bago to. We'll do a weekly reading for September 22 to 28. Ayan siya. So, hopefully magawa ko to weekly and I'm planning to do it weekly. So, medyo update lang. So, magbabago tayo ng mga uploads, which is, I'll try weekly or at least bi-weekly and monthly. Tapos, ibabalik natin yung tulad ng ginagawa natin dati na per sign. Kasi, napansin ko na kapag sa isang video, lahat nandun, wala masyadong nanonood. Ayan siya. So, yep, life update as well. Kag-graduate ko lang din ng Mysterium PH. So, tarot class siya dito sa Philippines by Robert Rubin. Ay, nakakatapos ko lang. So, dalawa na yung certificate natin for tarot, which is, una is yung Tarot Page Philippines and now is Mysterium. And I am actually getting another course with Mysterium, which is Intuitive Awakening. And, ayun, mag-graduate tayo today, Sunday, September 22. Ayan siya. But I don't have the certificate yet. Siyempre, wala pa kasi hindi pa tapos. But ito yung mga certificates ng Tarot Page as well as Mysterium. And, ayan. Yan yung ating life update. So, yan. It's been a while. So, ayan. Ngayon, ang gagamitin nating deck is the Good Tarot and the Wisdom of the Oracle. You know me na kapag nag-upload ako, so always meron tayong oracle sa end. Ayan siya. So, same thing. May mga magbabago lang sa reading natin because syempre may mga bago tayong natutunan. So, we have to also update kung paano tayo mag-reading, di ba? So, again, this is for September 22 to September 28. Diba? Meron akong calendar dun. So, September 22 to 28. So, this week. So, again, isa-isa siya per sign. And please, do support my pages. May mga, since, di ba na-update ko kayo na hindi nagana yung, nawala yung dati kong Facebook. So, gumawa ko ng bagong page, which is I am Martin Tarot. And also, yung Instagram ko, from Queen Nak, pinalitan ko din siya ng I am Queen Nak Tarot. So, nagpalit lang tayo ng name. Para naman hindi tayo masyadong Queenie eme. So, ayun. So, yes. Tara, let's go ahead and read. Hello sa mga may Capricorn, Sun, Moon, and Rising. So, Capricorns, yan yung mga pinanganak ng December 22 to January 19. Okay? So, pag alam nyo yung sun nyo na. Sun nyo yun. Pag alam nyo yung moon rising nyo and as well as the Venus and it happened to be Capricorn, edi watch. So, yeah. Iyan ka lang. So, shuffle lang natin mga Capricorn. Capricorn. May mga sounds sa labas naman. Parang may party. May nagiinuman. So, kung naririnig nyo, I'm so sorry. Sana hindi ako hindi masagap ng mic ko. Ay, ano to? Page of Fire. Ano ako sa Page of Fire? Parang feeling ko kamukha ko. Ano ba yan? Loloka ako sa Page of Fire. Teka nga. Page of Fire. Parang parehas kami ng hulmahan ng pisngi. Parang ganito yung tsura ko kapag nakabangs ako. Okay, balik tayo sa Capricorn, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Uy, this week is actually a balanced week. Not so good, not so bad. Balanced week, normal week. So, okay. Start tayo sa hindi maganda. So, we have here the Four of Fire na naka-reverse. So, I think this is the time to don't party, don't go out, don't hang out. Wag muna. And also this week is Six of Water, naka reverse, stay put. Parang ano to eh. Six of Water is like, ano siya, kasi magandang word. Inisip ko yung magandang word for Six of Water. Alam mo yung, kasi di ba meron tayong sinasabing give and take. This time parang, ito yung situation ng wag kang puro give ng give. Kasi I can see na generous kang tao. Kaya siguro sinasabi na wag ka munang gumala, pumarty. Kasi generous kang tao, let's say. May mga pwedeng taong mag-take ng, ano yun, yung, hindi take for granted, yung opposite nun. Gawing, alam mo yung kukunin nila yung time na to para maloko ka, ganyan. Something, or gagamitin ka, ganyan. So no, as much as possible, wag kang pa-party muna. It's okay to start something new that will make you happy. Gawa ka ng bagong hobby. Basa ka ng bagong libro. Basta something new. Ngayong week, it's okay. Regarding naman sa love, since lumabas yung love na card, it's okay to fall in love. It's okay to do something with your partner. Wag lang sa ibang tao. It's okay na mag-celebrate. Baka may celebrate kayo ng partner mo this week. It's okay to celebrate. Basta kayong dalawa lang. If it's a family celebration, kayo lang. Huwag nyo nang idamay ang buong barangay, ang buong Pilipinas, or kung saan man kayo. Just family, it's okay. Huwag nyo nang isipin ang kapitbahay, ang buong barangay. It's okay na kayo lang. Mag-celebrate sa labas, kumain sa labas, it's okay. And, ayun. Huwag puro bigay ng bigay. This time, you have to think about you, yung partner mo, pwede, ganyan. Sarili mo, love life mo, ganyan. But, hindi yung mga tipong, hindi nyo na family. Hindi na talaga parte ng buhay nyo na ang daming ebas, wala namang ginawa sa buhay nyo. So, hayaan mo nyo na sila, Capricorn. So, this time, be a Capricorn. Think about you, yourself, and just the person na mahal mo. Okay? Not all that glitters are gold. Yan yung advice sa'yo ng ating card, oracle card. So, parang siya, may mga tao kasi na connections, let's say. Parang ganda-gandang tignan. Oy, kilala ko yan, sikat yan, or kilala yan sa amin, ganyan. But, hindi lahat ng sikat magaganda yung ginagawa. Not all that shine are gold. Not all that glitters are gold. Sabi nga nila, hindi lahat ng magandang nakikita mo ay may magandang maidudulot sa'yo, or pwedeng lahat nakikita mo maganda pero you don't know what's behind it. So, be careful. Para kasing sinasabi na wag muna kayong this week makihalubilo kahit sa kanino. Just be Capricorn. Alam mo yung Capricorn? Kasi yung mga Capricorn, yan yung mga may system sila sa buhay. So, be like that. Just be like that. Huwag kang maniwala masyado sa mga tao ngayon sa paligid mo. Okay? Just trust yourself, your family, or your love life. Ayun siya. So, that's for the Capricorn Sun. Moon and Rising. Trust no one. Ay, tara, hindi naman. Trust, ano ba magandang title ng Capricorn? hindi lahat ng kumikinang ay ginto. Yun na lang ang title ko. Ayan, that's all for the Capricorn Sun, Moon, and Rising. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. So thank you so much. And sa mga hindi maganda yung reading, I'm so sorry. But, again, may free will tayo to believe or not. Nasa inyo yan. Or may mga pwede tayong gawin para hindi siya mangyari. Nasa inyo din naman yan. So, buhay nyo yan. Bahala kayo if you wanna believe or not. Or if you wanna do something about it. And of course, again, please do subscribe sa ating channel. That's Knock Martin. And also, yung bago kong Facebook page, I am Knock Martin Tarot. And yung Instagram ko, yung Queen Knock, pinalitan ko na po ng Knock, or I am Queen Knock. I am Knock Martin Tarot. Ayan. Parang yung nasa likod ko. Tanggalin natin tong ating signs. Yung binabasa. Ayan. Dapat pala nakaano. Pero ayan siya. I am Knock Martin. Hindi ko alam. Hindi siya naka-mirror. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's all for me today. Thank you so much. Signing out.